Hi, this is Pawan Devakanda talking about MySQL installation on Windows system. We'll go to the official website and we can go to the community edition options which we are available, where we can look for the enterprise edition and community edition which are available from the Arkel website. And we are going to select the operating system Microsoft Windows. And there are two options again, x86 we have to select. And let's begin. Download that installer, Web Community Edition 8.0.40, and double click that when we get the installer open here, and then we can see how it is going to work step by step. First, we have to choose the server only option, whether you want to install both server and Workbench client both together. Then you can select the full. I'm selecting the server only. Then I'm moving to the next step, the type of network, that authentication method. Here we are going to use the use strong password option, and next click. Here we are going to have the administration user password we need to enter. After that, when we can create a new user as well if you want. So create Windows. You can simply click on add user here. Then you can enter the user's password, username, user password, and role, the database admin or some other options which you can see from the role options. Whenever you are entering the password, it should be strong. It should not be less than the number. 15 characters is the best choice to go for the strong or medium level of strength of the password. Once it is agreed, once it is okay, then medium strength, then you can click on OK. Then we can go ahead and move to the next step on the wizard. Click on the next button. Yep. Then you're going to see the file server permissions. Here you can grant full access to that, and it is allowing, that is going to write the configurations and logs. So you can see on the top, configuration steps and logs also available. So when you click on the logs, you can see what is going on while installing process. One by one step, it is hitting that right mark also, that is also shows. The log file looks like this. It is going to be a notepad file. You can see all the lines. Once it is everything is completed, at the last line you can see the latest version MySQL Server 8.040 installed. Workbench installation. Workbench also we can install from the same installer. Here we are going to double click, then it is pops up the MySQL installer. After popping up, you can select the product here, the choice application section. It is going to have the MySQL Workbench. There are a couple of Workbench options are there. Pick the last top one, the latest one. Then click on the next button. Go ahead and look into the process, how it is working here. It is ready to install, and progress, it is going to be shown on the right side. Slowly it is started from the 0% to 99% it reached, and then the installation is completed. You got this window open automatically, MySQL Workbench. You can go to the top menu that is going to have the database, and there you can have the connect database option. In that one, you need to provide the information about to which server you are connecting. You can connect to the local, or you can connect to the remote servers. So if you connect to the local, you will get the option like this. If you want to go development missions, or you want to go for the QA, all other missions, then you can configure each one and store that connections, each one. You can modify, you can provide all the details here. Host name and port number is most important things, and a root user we are going to use here. Yeah, once we are able to provide all the information for the connecting, you are getting this window. Once you get this window, in the middle, what you are seeing, it's a query sheet, or it is editor, query editor, SQL editor, where you can enter the SQL commands. You can check that one, whether we are able to use how many databases are available here. So you can just simply type show databases. It will show all the databases. You can see MySQL performance schemas. These are the different databases are available by default. You can switch to one of the database and try to check what we have. Using the use command, use MySQL, it is going to show it is connected to that particular database. Thank you so much for connecting. Like, share, subscribe to my channel.